Stan, quit spying on the neighbors.
Today's the day, Francine. Today I will finally beat that smug bastard Chuck White to church. Look at him, zipping up his fly like he owns the place. Well, today I get the shady parking spot. All right, Chuck still needs a tie. He's a double Windsor man, so we have a good 2 minutes to... Good God, a clip-on! Go, go, go!
Bra!
No time. Just keep your arms crossed and Jesus will see it.
Stan, you just killed a pigeon. Stan, slow down. He's beating Chuck.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Franklin County, Ohio,
No, I didn't.
northwestern Pickaway County, southeastern Madison County, until 6 p.m.
Spray him a little.
At 5:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles north of Mount Sterling, moving at 45 miles per hour.
Looks like
Hazard,
you're parking in the
tornado and quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated.
Francine,
Impact,
the agreement
flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Yes, you pick Susan.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur.
Clooney,
Tree damage is likely.
Stop playing
Locations
basketball.
impacted
Get
include
married like the rest of
Columbus, Grove City, Upper Arlington, Ohio State University, Lake Darby, Grandview Heights, Obetz, Commercial Point, Bourbon Crest, Valley View, Marble Cliff, Harrisburg, Orient, Losh, Derby, Lily Chapel, Georgesville, Darbydale, and Washington Township. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 93 and 100, Interstate 71 in Ohio between mile markers 85 and 107, and near mile marker 112. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN, and submit your report to social media when you can do so safely.